If you come from a traditional design background, you're used to standard file systems in Photoshop, Illustrator, or even local folders on your Mac. Saving an updated graphic over an existing file triggers a single prompt. This file already exists. Do you want to replace it? You hit replace, and every project referencing that file path updates smoothly. It's logical, predictable, and clean. When you transition to web design in Wix Studio, you'd expect the Media Manager to work the same way. But here's the frustration. If you upload a new graphic with the exact same file name, Wix Studio doesn't override the existing file. It doesn't give you the option. Instead, it creates a duplicate asset in your media library with identical naming. Over time, this clutters your site storage and leaves you manually relinking updated graphics page by page. The professional workaround to get true global asset control in Wix Studio is leveraging the CMS. Instead of hard coding static image elements onto your pages, you bind those images to a dynamic content collection. By treating these key graphics, like rotating award badges or client logos or hero banners, as CMS items, you create a single source of truth across your entire site. Here's how you set this up in practice. Open your Wix Studio CMS and create a collection dedicated to site assets or repeating images. Inside the collection, set up an image field for your target graphic. When you open the item entry, you'll see the existing image asset. Hover over the image, click Replace Image, and select Upload Media to bring in your fresh asset from your desktop. Once your new graphic is uploaded into the Media Manager, select it, click Add to Item, and hit Save. Because your Canvas image elements are connected directly to this collection field, Wix Studio instantly syncs the updated graphic across every single page, referencing that dataset. You'll never have to manually edit that individual page canvas again. So, until Wix Studio introduces a native Replace File button directly inside the main Media Manager, this CMS method is the cleanest, most efficient way to maintain global image control. If you found this workflow helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Designer to Full Stack for more practical web design hacks, technical breakdowns, and full stack development tutorials. Happy designing. So what brought you joy today? Today, it was the sound of birds and my kids' laughter.